Well, here we are at Home Hill in Vertigan. I've done nearly 4,500 Ks in the last 11 days with 2 epic days down at Walker. Right, I should be home in an hour or so. Right, our old girl's done great. I've just had a great morning zipping from Nebo all the way through on dirt to Collinsville, and then a little bit of road, and then all dirt. Come out at Gumloo. It's been fantastic. I'll put some videos up following this epic 11 days on the road, and yeah, until then, keep them together.